If you're a YouTuber growing your business and you don't have an online course, I highly recommend that you create one. It's no secret that you can make an incredible full-time living as a YouTube creator, but fewer people realize that you can start making great money even before you get monetized on YouTube. And with online courses, your earning potential is almost infinite, but you don't have to have millions of views per video like Mr. Beast to do it. This YouTube creator makes over $16,000 per day with online courses. She's got 500,000 subscribers on her YouTube channel, but you don't have to have that many to start making money. My first YouTube channel has less than 4,000 subscribers on it, and I get sales of my $597 course every single week from that channel. Because even though I haven't posted a video on that channel in over 3 years, the people watching my videos are still going through my email automation, so not only are they growing my list, but it's bringing in cash for me every single week. The second reason that I think every YouTuber should create an online course is it provides a natural next step for your followers. You already have an army of loyal subscribers that are watching every single video that you put out to learn everything they can from you, and by selling an online course, it allows them to work with you at a higher level. It also helps you impact your followers in a bigger way. When you create a course around the topic that you're already teaching about on YouTube, you're going to help your students get better results because they're going to be able to go through your course and take all the great information that you're already putting out there on YouTube, but it's going to be organized in a way that's easier for them to implement your systems, your strategies, and get the results they need. They don't have to piece it together from all your videos. They're going to have the step-by-step blueprint to get that result that they're already following you to get help with. It's also easier to sell off YouTube than almost any other platform on the internet. And the reason for that is because it's difficult to sell to a cold audience. You need to build a relationship and build trust with the people that are eventually going to become your buyers. And you do that every single time you put out a video on YouTube. If someone spends 10 to 15 minutes learning from you in a YouTube video, there's a lot of trust there. And generally, after they get help from that video, they're going to go to your channel and they're going to start binging all of your other videos. And even if they don't, YouTube is going to keep putting you in front of them. So over time, they're going to watch more and more of your content, building that relationship, getting to know you, and realizing like, hey, this person can actually help me. And if you have an online course that's on the same topic and is there inside of your description and you're talking about it every now and then in your videos, eventually people are going to think, man, if I'm getting so much value from this free content, imagine how great a results I'd be able to get if I let that person actually help me by joining their program. And there's this funny thing about course sales and coaching where people tend to consume 20 to 25 pieces of content, whether that's a video on YouTube, a post on Instagram, or an email. And after they reach that critical mass, if they're still following along, they tend to become buyers. So giving them a way to work with you more personally beyond your videos that you're already putting out is just a natural next step for your audience. The third reason that I think every YouTuber should create an online course is that you can get fully automated sales and create real passive income. And yeah, I know that you can do that with your ad revenue and with affiliate marketing and things like that, but the level of income that you can get on autopilot from online courses is so far and above what you're getting from your ad revenue and from affiliates. The first thing is that you get to set the price, and because of the trust and the relationship that you're building with your audience, you can sell low ticket products as well as high ticket products. I already mentioned how we're making sales of our $600 course every single week because of YouTube, but there are other YouTube creators that are out there making 4- and 5-figure program sales every single week from the audience that they're getting directly from their YouTube videos. And with things like evergreen webinars where you can do workshops and deep dive trainings on the same topic that you're teaching on your YouTube channel, or just automated email sequences that do all the heavy lifting for you, sharing the social proof, the results, painting the opportunity of what they can do with your course and all of the pains that they're going to be overcoming, the problems that they're going to be solving, you're going to be able to sell these courses while you sleep and let your videos power the entire process. And what's cool about it is since YouTube is such an evergreen platform where you can have videos that are 3, 4, 5 years old that are still getting views, still ranking in search, and still getting suggested, every video you create is like hiring a new salesperson that's going to go out there, generate new leads for you, and sell them into your program, growing your business without you doing any work after you create that video. So whether you're an established YouTuber that wants to start getting 6-figure months, or you're a small YouTuber that wants to increase your earnings as quickly as possible instead of waiting to make pennies when you first get monetized, you should really consider creating an online course. And if you need help figuring out how to create your course and how to sell it, then you should check out this playlist where I share all of my best videos on creating and selling online courses.